Now let us discuss about 2 to 3 tree. It is mainly useful in order to overcome the drawback of binary search tree, the worst case time complexity. The worst case time complexity of binary search tree for all the operations, it may be insert, delete or search, is order of n. Order of n means it will take more time in order to achieve that operation. So in order to overcome that disadvantage, we are using 2 to 3 tree. Here the time complexity of 2 to 3 tree is order of log n. If we take best case or worst case or average case, for all the operations, insert, delete, search, for all the operations and in all the cases, the time complexity is order of log n. So log n means it will take less time in order to perform the operation. Now let's see the definition of the 2 to 3 tree. It is a 2 to 3 tree is a self-balanced and height-balanced tree. Self-balanced tree means it automatically balances itself. Whereas height-balanced tree means, height means here the height of the tree is order of log n. Balanced means after performing every operation, it may be insert operation or delete operation, it automatically balances itself. Height balanced tree in which each internal node has either 2 or 3 children. So internal node means it is not a leaf node. Internal node means it is a parent node. So here the parent node has either 2 or 3 children. So we can say that 2 to 3 tree is not a binary search tree. Binary search tree means each node can have at most maximum 2 children. But here we can have either 2 or 3 children also. So 3 children means it is not a BST, binary search tree. So here we have 2 or 3 children. So let us discuss what is 2 node and what is 3 node. So 2 node means it contains only one key and has 2 children. So 2 node means we will have 2 children and above that we will have only one key. So let's take an example. Here the key is 30. So here we will have how many children? 2 children. So this is the first children, this is the second children. So here we are following BST property only. So this left children contains less than the parent, right children contains greater than the parent. So one key, 2 children. Now let's see what is 3 node. So 3 node contains 2 keys and it has 3 children. So here we have 2 keys. First key is K1, second key is K2 and it has 3 children. Left children, middle children, right children. So left children contains the elements which are less than K1, key 1. Middle children contains the keys which are between key 1 and key 2. Whereas right children contains the keys or elements which are greater than key 2. So let's take this example. Let here we have 2 keys 10, 20. So left child contains less than 10. So in the left child we have 5, 8. Whereas middle child contains the keys between 10 and 20. We have 15. Whereas right child contains greater than 20. Here we have 25. Now let's see the properties or rules of the 2 to 3 tree. First property, each internal node has either 2 or 3 children. So each parent node must contain either 2 children or 3 children. Next property, all leaves are at the same level. So if we take the leaf nodes, then all the leaf nodes will be at the same level. Okay, all the leaf nodes should be at the same level. Next, third property, keys are in sorted order only. So let we have keys like this 5, 7, 8. So we have to arrange them in sorted order. So we can't write like 7, 5, 8. In zigzag order we can't write. In sorted order only we have to write. Next, always insertion can be done at the leaf node only. So we will always perform the every operation. It may be insertion or deletion at the leaf node. Now let's see an example. Now let us construct 2 to 3 tree using these elements. The first element is 50. So insert 50. We know that we always insert the nodes at the leaf node. So this is the leaf node. So next element is 62. Here the keys are always in ascending order. So after 50, we have to write 62. Arrange in ascending order, sorted order. So next we have 69. 69. So after inserting 69, the leaf node is 50, 62, 69. Here the leaf node is full. Here 2 to 3 tree means each node can have maximum 2 keys. If we take 3 node, we will have how many keys? We will have 2 keys. But here we have how many keys? 3 keys. So 3 keys means we can say that leaf node is full. We can't store 3 keys in a node. So what we have to do is, whenever the leaf node is full, then push this middle element to the up. So we have to move this middle element to the up node. So now the parent node will become 62. 50 is less than 62. So arrange as the left child. 69 is greater than 62. So write as the right child. So next element is 43. We always perform the insertion operation at the leaf node. So 43 is greater than 62. So left child, left leaf, this leaf, 43. Here I am doing the insertion. So next one is 31. 31. So 31 is less than 62. So arrange as the left leaf node, this left leaf node children only. So 31, 43, 50. Okay. So we can say that this leaf node is full. So what we have to do? We have to push this middle element to the up. So now the parent node is 43 and 62. So 43 children's, 31. Next if we take, here we have 50. 50 is in between 43 and 62. Next we have 69. 69 is greater than 62. So this is 31. So next element is 25. 25 is less than 43. So right here. So 25, 31. First node 25, next 31. So next one is 15. 15. 15 is less than 43. So we have to insert in this leaf node. So 15, 25, 31. We always arrange in sorted order. So now this leaf node is full. So what we have to do? We have to push this element up. So now this node will become 25, 43, 62. So this parent node is also full. So what we have to do? We have to push this element up. So now 43 is the root node. So 25 is less than 43. Next here we have 62. 62 is greater than 43. Next this 25 is pushed up. So here we have 15, 31. So 15 is less than 25. 31 is greater than 25. Next here we have 50. 50 is less than 62. Next 69 is greater than 62. So the next element is 85. 85 is greater than 62. So this leaf node, insert in this leaf node, 85. Next 99. 99 is greater than 62. So insert in this leaf node only, 99. So now this leaf node is full. So find the middle element and push this element up. So now the tree look like this. So 43, left children 25, 43 right children, 62, as well as we are pushing this element up, 85, 62, 85. Next 25, 15, 31. Next here we have 50. 50 is less than 62. 50 is less than 62. Next here we have 69. 69 is in between 62 and 85. Next we have 99. 99 is greater than 85. And what is the last element? 108. So 108 is greater than 85. So we can write here. So this is the final 2, 2, 3 tree after inserting these elements. So likewise we can solve any problem in the examination very easily.